Welcome to my channel. Today's cooking vlog number 2 is savory chicken mushroom and spinach dish. It's yummy. Okay, so there's a recipe that I have been wanting to try. So today I'm gonna do it. So it calls for thinly sliced chicken breasts. So I'm gonna cut these in half. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Oh. Okay, so it is supposed to be put into a 9 by 13 pan. Sorry, not pan, but well, you know, glass 9 by 13. Oh boy, I might even have to go with a bigger one. Nah, we got this. Okay, so just shove it all in there. And next, I'm gonna wash my hands from the chicken. And I'm gonna move this out of the way because now I have to slice some mushrooms. Whoa. I chose some baby portobello mushrooms. Some baby bellas. So anyway, I have to slice these. Unfortunately, the store I went to didn't have them already pre-sliced, so gotta do my work myself. So while I tell you this, while I'm chopping, I'm gonna tell you a little story today. I had to run some errands in town. And while I was on my way into town, I live about 13 miles outside of town, and 3/4 of the way there, I saw a man sitting on the side of the highway, kind of at a corner, with a whole bunch of belongings just like literally scattered all about him. As well as some boxes. I continued about my day, got my errands done, went to the store to get stuff to make this yummy dinner, and on my way home, I saw this man again. Well, my kids and I, one of the things that we absolutely love to do, and we've done it multiple times together, is give food to those that we see that may be down on their luck with a sign on a corner. I never give money, but I will always give food. We've given V8 juices and bananas and granola bars, etc. And unfortunately, I was alone and did not have anybody with me, and therefore did not feel comfortable stopping alone. And so I kept driving home, but something kept telling me, Jackie, turn back around. And so I did, and I did because just up the road from where I saw him, I saw a CHP car and a Department of Fish and Game truck pulled over to the side of the road talking to one another. And I just really wanted to go see what was up, if they knew anything about the man, if he was down on his luck, if he had any food, if he had any water. And so it happened to be that both the Department of Fish and Game and CHP officers were people I had gone to school with, and so I asked them if they knew what the story was, and told them I had just got done shopping at Smart and Final, and I had some water bottles and some granola bars, but that I did not feel comfortable going over there myself to give them to him. And so the CHP officer was nice enough to escort me over there, and we were able to go ahead and give the man some stuff. Anyway, it's always nice to be able to give, but definitely don't stop alone. I don't care if you're a man or a woman, don't stop alone, because you just never know. But I'm tired of people being too afraid to stop that they don't, you know, stop. So when you're able to help. Just be safe about it. Okay, so bringing the chicken back over here. It calls for a bag of spinach, but I'm not really sure. It doesn't really say what size bag, but it says a bag of spinach. So here we go. Let's put on some spinach. and it calls for mushrooms. It says 1 package of mushrooms, but again, I don't know. So we just kind of threw our own together since I bought a humongous package of them. All right. Okay. I love portobello mushrooms. Golly, I can't remember. I think it was it Claim Jumpers or no? Oh shoot. Maybe it was Claim Jumpers. I don't know. There was a place that I went to in Reno, Nevada one time, a long time ago. And they had the most amazing portobello dinner. It was stuffed with stuff, but I can't think of what it was stuffed with. But it was absolutely amazing. Okay, so then it says to put a garlic herb seasoning. So that is what I am doing. Garlic herb seasoning. Okay. It calls for some ground pepper. All right, now we're gonna set that aside. All right, sorry about that. I had to fix the camera. Something is up with my holder and it is being a wonky donkey. Okay, so anyway, I just poured in a 1/4 cup of olive oil and it calls for a 1/2 cup of, of broth. Okay, 1/2 cup broth. And then a container of green onion cream cheese, softened green onion cream cheese. I'm gonna take this humongous whisk. Because it happened to be handy. I'm just gonna keep stirring this around. I have a feeling this is gonna be really yummy. All right, so bring the chicken back over here. And it says to just pour it on. Okay, guys. And it calls for mozzarella cheese on top. So, Okay. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. It says at 375 for 20 minutes. It does say to put a piece of foil over the top, but it says do not tighten it down. All right, so the oven's already been on. So it's going to go in there for 20 minutes. Let me set the timer. And then when that 20 minutes is over, it says to go ahead and take that foil off and cook it for another 20. Oh my goodness, it looks yummy. Hey, thank you so much for coming by my channel and watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you try the recipe. And if you would do me a favor and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It will help me out, as well as like it and share it with your friends. Have a great day.